Hi everyone! We're on a transatlantic voyage aboard the Queen Mary 2 ocean liner in June 2022. We stayed in an inside cabin. Here we'll give you a tour plus some of the pros and cons of this interior stateroom. So first you had to find it. Ours was on deck 6, room number 6284. It's a category IE, Britannia, inside stateroom and sleeps up to 4 guests. Yeah. Key card is in an envelope outside the room. Thank you. So let's start by taking a look at the bathroom here. It's nice and clean. Also like this black marble countertop here. Water pressure is strong, which is nice. They provide a liquid soap, which is nicer than the more common bar soap. They also provide lotion in addition to the shower gel and shampoo. Shower head is removable. The water pressure is pretty good and gets hot fairly quickly. Too bad Cunard uses shower curtains here instead of a glass door. Let's look at the closet here. Ample storage space. Two bathrobes here, life jackets. They also give you slippers, which is really nice. If you like to pack slippers to use inside your cabin, you wouldn't have to in this case, which can save some luggage space. Cabin safe, which you can open via key card or code. Here are your cups and drinking glasses. You can order a stateroom bar package starting at $23. We didn't do it though. We typically just drink water in the cabin after filtering it through a water pitcher filter we like to bring on our trips. And here is the stateroom bar menu. More storage here. Drawers are pretty spacious, but too bad they're not the quiet, slow close ones. Here's the desk with a flat screen TV. Drawer with a hair dryer. And here's the refrigerator. It was a nice surprise that they provided a complimentary bottle of sparkling wine. Cunard pen and pencil pad. Here are the power plugs. To the left are a pair of UK British 3-prong outlets, and to the right, the 3-prong American outlets. We did indicate on our booking that we liked our beds to be together, but they had them separate, which was a little annoying. There are more storage above the beds. And this is what it looks like with the third passenger flip-down bed deployed. Nice and cozy. This stateroom can fit a fourth passenger with the other ceiling flip-down bed. Also, every night the room steward will leave some chocolate, a breakfast in bed menu, and a newspaper. Here's a little circular table with a chair in the corner. So now let's get to some of the pros and cons of this stateroom. One pro would be that it was pretty quiet. We were able to get some good sleep at night. There was no mechanical noises or footsteps above. Another big plus was that the in-room breakfast was complimentary with no delivery fee, which is pretty nice since most cruise lines nowadays are charging for it. Speaking of which, check out what's on Cunard's room service breakfast menu. And if you like to sleep in but still want breakfast delivered, Cunard also has a complimentary room service brunch as well. Take a look at the menu. We also like the included slippers. Cunard also provided a complimentary small bottle of sparkling wine in the fridge. Now some of the cons. The ship and cabin were showing their age a little bit. The door handle was loose. There was no water during parts of day 3 of the voyage. And when the water came back, black stuff was coming out. Another negative was the extremely slow internet. It works, but it's spotty. We're talking about speed comparable to the dial-up modem days. And that concludes our Queen Mary 2 interior stateroom tour and review. What did you think? Would you book a cabin like this one if you cruise on the Queen Mary 2? We enjoy reading your comments, and please do give the video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thank you very much, happy cruising, and we'll see you soon in another video.